Hey everybody! Welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. You ready? So today, I'm going to talk about the weather. This is an important topic because everybody talks about the weather. If you are learning English, you need to know how to talk about the weather. So let's start with sunny weather. Sunny weather is my favorite type of weather. When it's sunny outside, I'm happy. For me, hot weather is better than cold weather. Some people don't like the heat, but I don't mind the heat. It can be uncomfortable, but for me, that's okay. Some places are too hot, though. For example, the city of Las Vegas is really hot in the summer. I like the hot weather, but not that hot. In really hot cities, you need to stay inside during the afternoon. In the U.S., most buildings in hot cities have air conditioning. Okay, now let's talk about cloudy days. I hate cloudy days. When the sun is not shining, I feel a little sad because I love sunny days. But cloudy days are normal. Every city has cloudy days. Some cities are always cloudy, like London. I can't live in a cloudy city. I need sunshine. Do you like sunny or cloudy days more? Okay, now let's talk about rainy days. For me, rainy days are the worst. I love being outside, so this is why I don't like the rain. When it rains, I can't do anything outside. I have to stay indoors all day. Some people really like the rain. My wife likes the rain, but only when she's inside. She says that the sound of the rain is calming. I don't agree. I don't like the sound of the rain. It reminds me that I can't go outside. Of course, you can go outside when it's raining, but you need to take an umbrella. If you don't have an umbrella, you get wet. Sometimes it starts raining when I'm not home, and I don't have an umbrella with me. This is the worst. I don't like getting wet. Also, when it rains, it can be dangerous to drive. Many people have car accidents when it rains. When the streets are wet, you need to drive slower. If you don't, you can have an accident. On rainy days, there are a lot of car accidents. I don't like driving in the rain. All right, now let's talk about windy days. Some cities have a lot of wind, and this can be good or bad. If you live in a hot city, the wind can be good because it cools the city down. But if you live in a cold city, the wind can be bad because it makes it even colder. If the wind is really strong, it can cause problems. Sometimes trees fall down because of the strong wind. Usually, I prefer days that aren't windy. Okay, lastly, let's talk about the snow. It doesn't snow in my city, so I don't see the snow often. Some years, my family goes to the mountains in the winter to ski and snowboard. I like the snow, but I don't want to live in a snowy city. It's too cold, and life is more difficult in the snow. I have some students that live in really cold cities. During the winter, the temperature can be -20 or -30 degrees. For me, that's crazy. I don't like the cold. Another bad type of weather is stormy weather. In the U.S., we have some bad storms like hurricanes and tornadoes. I've never seen a storm like this before, but I've seen many thunderstorms. These storms are not that bad, but I don't like lightning. Lightning can be scary. Okay, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me what type of weather you prefer. I'll see you next video.